What's going on, guys? It's Carlos. Be energized, people. Energized. It's late at night. It's Sunday. I don't work Sundays. I usually just kind of chill, lounge around the house, be lazy. Normal Sunday. Do a little church in the morning, and then we got the rest of the day to chill. Usually don't do anything, but I posted yesterday. I posted a video, or it was the other day. I posted a video about putting your ads out there, putting your ads on Facebook, putting your ads on Snapchat, putting your ads on Craigslist. That was it. Craigslist. Craigslist is awesome. So I didn't think much of it. I just put them up yesterday. I put one in Maine. I put one in Pennsylvania, Ohio, California, Florida, Texas. I think I put one in South Carolina as well. So kind of like hitting, all, 5 or 6, areas of the U.S. just to see what I get back. And guys, it works. Absolutely works. Freaking awesome. I definitely got one person to sign on. I have four more. I was getting these buzzes from my phone because I put it on silent when I was making my last video, probably about 30 minutes ago. I think I just posted it, and it was like back to back buzzing. So I'm thinking it's BS from Facebook or whatever, family trying to get a hold of me, sending me texts and whatnot. And then boom, it was there. I was like, what? I got a sale? And something came in from MCA to check your back office. So I checked my back office, like, yes, got a sale, yeah. So energized, guys. Be energized. Be happy when this thing happens for somebody else, man. Talk about on my page. I always talk about scams. There was something sent to me from Facebook as well. I wanted to get into that. Let me pull it up here. It was some guy said you can make money on Facebook. So I'm like, hey, I want multiple forms of income. I don't want just MCA because if I don't make a sale next week, I want to be able to count on something else making me money, right? So I do affiliate programs on like YouTube and stuff like that. Found the affiliate programs, but this guy sent me this. It says MCA and this is what he sent me and because I was just on looking at everybody else from MCA to see what they do. So download this app. You're supposed to make money from your friends, and it looks like one of those like savings apps, like Groupon's or something like that. I don't know how you make money with it. It doesn't really say. I'm pretty sure the guy who's promoting it is making a lot of money. So, hey, bravo, good for you. Keep making sales, dude. But you ain't getting me. I'm sorry. I don't believe in a lot of this stuff with the phones. Um, I save money by coupons. I save money by stuff I get in the mail, to be honest with you. I try not to eat fast foods. Like that was just looks delicious, but no, I can't have it. So, so I want to put that out there. If you guys get that and you know something about it, comment, leave something in the comments about it if you guys know anything about it. I really don't. I just don't like the idea of it because it says you're supposed to make money, but you go on the site and before you even download the app, you just have everything else. And people are flying in my development. Holy crap. Anyway, um, so I just want to put that out there real quick. But hey, back again, work from home and taxes. I want to get into taxes too. Um, you can work from home with a bunch of jobs. Justin Bryant has some jobs, but he has like a lot of other things that I don't approve of. Let's see. Let's get into Justin Bryant's video here. Just gonna scroll through some of the stuff of what he was promoting down in here because you really can't hear what he says anyway. I don't see anything in here of what he got. Well, you ever get calls about, people calling you, wondering about your car insurance and stuff like that? He has he has jobs like that on here too sometimes. He shows you how to get into them, what companies to go to. Um, Available right now, 2018. Some of them I don't agree with him on a lot of it. Some of them is like, all right, that seems pretty cool. Um, so when I say like multiple income, affiliate programs are always good. Amazon has a really good affiliate program. It didn't work that much for me because I really didn't push it. Like I said, you get what you get out of it. All right. Best Buy actually made more with Best Buy than I did with Amazon. Um, Best Buy has an affiliate program. This is like the Indeed stuff. Just look up Justin Bryant or work from home. You'll find a bunch of cool stuff through them. Taxes. Let me get into taxes, guys. So listen, check this out. I didn't have a lot of money when I started MCA, right? So we took like 300 bucks out of our savings and we're like, okay, we need a computer because our computer, I trashed it, I threw it out. It was garbage. It was so messed up. It wasn't even funny. Nobody could fix it. I had a guy come over. He was looking at it and he was like, okay, your processor's shot. The computer, that's why it won't turn on. Your screen is pretty much out of date, even though it's flat screen, it's still out of date. I'm like, so say hello to my Canon. I know I got a bunch of papers on it right now. It's all messy. This is the Canon printer, wireless, all that good stuff, right? Yeah, I'll plug my computer here. So, bought this Walmart. I think it was like 40 bucks with the 2-year protection plan or 3-year protection plan. I'm not too sure which one it was. So we got the protection plan. We got this. What I'm on right now. This is the laptop we bought. It's an HP Stream, really good. Doesn't have a lot of memory. I didn't know laptops didn't have a lot of memory and a lot of space and a lot of hard drive. It's like 32 megabytes or something. My phone has more than that. I'm like, Jesus. Anyway, but it was 200 bucks, so I'm not gonna be mad. So we took that money out of the savings. We bought all this stuff to start MCA. I usually did affiliate programs just from my phone. A lot of it was through my phone and through Facebook. And like I tell you guys all the time, this goes to like my team people all the time. I tell them, multiple sources of income, try different things. You can do MCA from your phone, your tablet, whatnot. And some of them are doing it from the tablet. Some of them do it from the cell phone. Just don't flood your Facebook, your personal Facebook, with a lot of MCA stuff because your family might get pissed after a while. Like, you know what? I don't want to see MCA. Unfriend you. Um, so just be careful with that. I mean, if I was you guys, I'd make a separate page just for your Facebook. All right, so taxes, back to that. So all this stuff that I paid for, I have receipts for everything. This goes to my tax at the end of the year. Like I said, I'm energized today. I made a sale that I wasn't even expecting to make, so that's awesome. It's the beginning of the week, so it's Sunday, so I'm like, I don't get paid till not this Friday, but the next Friday, but I get this Friday's pay from the last 3 I sold, so I'm like, all right, good. I have some money coming in. Also, already paid up for the year with MCA, by the way, because I made my sales. All right. Make some sales, guys. You got to make those sales. Sales help you out so much with like MCA in general. You get free roadside assistance from MCA with the top sellers get usually when they sell three. This is for everybody now. It used to be for top sellers. Now it's for everybody. You make 3 sales. They give you MCA free for a year. So back to taxes. Get yourself your shoebox. Get yourself. I wouldn't get a filing cabinet just yet. I mean, that's like for the 3 and 4 year people. I've been doing this for a while. A lot of them usually already. Damn, people are flying around my development. It's icy out there too. It's crazy. Um, so I wouldn't get a filing cabinet, but I get like a shoebox so you have something to put your taxes in at the end of the year. Um, get yourself a shoebox, guys. I know I'm a little crazy, right? But it's a shoebox, so it worked out. I got all my receipts in there from all my stuff. End of the year, we do have a tax attorney we go see. We're gonna see what he's gonna offer us. How much we're gonna have to pay for this year and stuff like that. Give him all the receipts, make sure everything's covered. So your cell phone bill. If you're using your cell phone for MCA or affiliate program, make sure that's in there. If you're doing an affiliate program, they're going to send you something at the end of the year for tax purposes. Again, put that stuff in there. Um, your internet bill, you got internet at home, right? You're using your computer. Hey, that's another thing that you can write off. End of the year write offs are so important for a lot of these companies. And I have not heard anyone talk about it because they probably just think it's easy. Well, it's not easy because you got another 2 months and we're coming into the new year. We came into the new year rather, and now we have the 2 months until the tax filing craziness bonanza begins. Um, so, I mean, I don't know if you guys go to H&R Block or whatever for your taxes. I use a tax attorney because it's a little bit easier. Kind of knows me. My dad's used them. I've used them before, so it helps out. So you guys doing your taxes, make sure you definitely put all that stuff in. Ask your tax attorney if you don't know what's covered under your business. Just ask them and bring some of the stuff in. Um, I bought a computer because I know that's a tax write-off. I bought a printer. I know it's a tax write-off. It helps me with my business, not for this year, but for next year because I just started up um, in December for this year. So it's kind of like broken into this year. They're not going to count me for a couple days in December. Um, so I built my team. I got my business going. I got my tax papers. I got my computer. Got my printers. Make your flyers, guys. Utilize this stuff. Um, I mean, taxes is just a little bit of what you're going to be going through in the next year. Your taxes, um, your sales. Like every time you make sales, like energize, it feels good. You know what I'm saying? Like make those sales, guys. Um, Sponsors, please help out your people. I've seen a lot of huge videos like how it's a scam, how it's a scam. You know why it's a scam? Because people fail, they get pissed, and they just put something out on the internet. All right. If you don't make money, it's your fault. Guy wrote me on Facebook talking about because I was promoting my MCA through my Facebook. He got on. He says, "Yo, I didn't make any money. They're a scam." Blah blah blah. Did you do your paperwork? He wrote back, "No. What paperwork?" There's paperwork in the beginning. I cannot express this enough. If you want to get paid, paperwork is first done. That's your associate agreement. That's your W-9 forms. You have to verify yourself. Some people, I don't think all people have to verify themselves. It's been different in different states. Some states require licensing. Get your licensing all together so you can make the stuff, work for you. Also, W-9 form, huge thing. That's for your tax at the end of the year. Tax time is coming, guys. You know, keep up on your stuff. Save your receipts. All that stuff counts. You're buying paper. Excuse me. You're buying paper to make flyers. That costs money, man. You got to put money into your business to make a little bit of money. I spent $300, and that was my cap. That was it. I was only going to spend $300 to make this business work. I'm making it work. I'm making sales. I got my 300 back already, and I already put it back in the savings. So to put it out there for you guys, it's you can do this. If you don't feel energized, hit me up. Let me know what's making you fail in this business, and I will help you out. I will make sure you make sales. I will give you the tools and the utilization that you need to get out there and start making sales. And you got to put yourself out there. I can't do all of it for you. You got to put some of that work in. I can give you a lot of the tools in the trade to help you out. Okay. If you guys have any questions, please hit me up. But I got to get back to it. I don't work on Sundays, but I'm working today. But I made a sale and I really wasn't even trying. So that's a good thing. All right. So I'll check you guys later. Till the next video.